Different types of factoring by Faiz. Complex trinomial factoring. So here we have the complex trinomial 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals y. So here we have it, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. First what we do is we multiply the first and the last coefficients. So a times c, which is 2 times 3, 6. Then we look at this factors of 6 and we find factors of 6 which add up to the middle term, which is b, right here. So we multiply these two numbers and then find the factors of those which add up to the middle number. So the factors of 6 are 1, 6, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 equals 6, but 1 plus 6 equals 7, which is what we want. Okay, so we want this factor pair. So then what we do is that we put these factors over here, 2x squared plus 1x plus 6x plus 3, and we, I guess, split it in half. So first what we do is we factor out x from here, and we factor out 3 from here. So we divide by x, divide by 3, factor out x, factor out 3. And since these are the same, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, we can also write it as x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. And that is our final answer. Perfect square factoring. Here we have the perfect square, negative 4x squared minus 12x minus 9. This may be quite hard because it uses imaginary numbers, which you learn eventually in university. So first we start off with negative 4x squared minus 12x minus 9. What we want to do, right, is find the square root of the first and the last term. The first term being negative 4x squared and the last term being negative 9. So the square root of negative 4x squared is 2ix because the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of negative 1 is the imaginary unit called I. And then the square root of x squared is x. And the same for negative 9. The square root of 9 is 3, while the square root of negative 1 is I, the imaginary unit, 3i. Okay, so what we want to do is that in a perfect square, when you multiply the square root of the first term and the square root of the last term, and you times it by 2, it should equal the middle term. Or if it doesn't, then it's not a perfect square. In this case, when we multiply them out, 2 times 3 times 2 is 12, I squared is negative 1, and x is just x, so negative of x. We know this equals the middle term, so therefore it is a perfect square. So what we're going to do, right, is put it inside of brackets and put squared around it. And that is everything for today.